Pieza. Algo va a pasar. What the fuck? Wow. Pues voy de arriba mejor. Viene por ahí, viene por ahí. ¡Vete, vete! ¡Déjame sitio! ¡Oh! ¡Puta! ¡Ojo! Mira ya, Rafael. Rafa. ¿Por qué me compraría este gesto? What the fuck? Oh! ¿Mazo? Míralo. Unos Cadillacs. Me está hablando, me está hablando. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. Yeah. I keep a blue flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. Mi skin. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, big, 1, yep, 3. SC and double OP, Digo double G. Waiting on the pistol, the diesel, and the shizzle. ¿Está haciendo un featuring con el consigo mismo? Qué ritmazo tienen las palmeras. Me encanta. No quiero mirar ya. Mejor no miro. Wow.
Done. He is I, one of one, from my hood, 2-1, risky business, Top Gun, dog back out on the morning run, me and Drake, red rum, make a cake with these breadcrumbs, on my mama, son of a gun. Gotta get up up out of my way, yeah, there's no better time than today, just another part of me, I'm just trying to show you some gangster love, wearing my heart on my sleeve. Living on the dangerous. I really appreciate the love. Never have so many done so much for so few. I'm friends with the monster, the son of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head.
Qué bonito.
I wanted the fame, but not the cover of Newsweek. Oh well, guess beggars can't be choosy. Wanted to receive attention from my music. Wanted to be left alone in public, excuse me. But wanting my cake and eat it too. But wanting it both ways, fame made me a balloon. Cause my ego inflated when I blew sleep. It was confusing, cause all I wanted to do was be the Bruce Lee of loosely abused ink. use it as a tool when I blew steam. Hit the lottery, ooh wee, but with what I gave up to get was bittersweet. It was like winning a used me. I'm finding cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. One sheep, two sheep, I'm sleepwalking. I'm just relaying what the voice in my head saying. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm just friends with the monster, the son of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. You think I'm crazy, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair.
Dios. Hey. Bueno, temazo. Coño. Se ha fusionado. Tremendo culo. Tremendo evento. Ojo. Ojo. ¿Y ahora? Queda la tía, ¿no? No me acuerdo cómo se llama. Real fan. Sí soy. Hola. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Then a stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn. Esto es nuevo, todas las pistas de baile y estas, guapísimas. Oh. Tremenda nalga, En realidad es enorme, en verdad. Es una nalga de kilómetros. Bueno, kilómetros no, pero una nalga de 100 metros, oye. Impresiona. Soy hombre. Unga unga. Funado. Fuck the police. Hostia. Fishball. O es un ente paranormal. O un ente subnormal. No sé. Like. Está guapa la skin, en verdad. Me Ghost Might. ¡Hey! Me ha tocado el pie. Las patas. Voy con esto. Oh.
felt this pain I felt when mama had no money and them bills brought hell. That's when G money hit my cell.
Esa es la skin que dieron gratis. Yo lo siento, pero sigue siendo mejor el Travis Scott. Eso que fue el primero. Hombre, el de Eminem estuvo guapo. Ese estuvo guapo. Que sí. Que sí. Soy una mariposa. Oh.
Another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead. Easier said than done. I thought you were.
Chao, chao. Está. Ojo. ¿Quién? Son esos. Jonesy. Algo saben. Lotus. El meteorito. ¿O qué es eso? Un zapato. Un zapato. Hostia, nuevo mapa ya. No. ¿En serio? Hostia. Keep dreaming with your spawn. Ahí no cuenta atrás ahí. Bueno, pues mientras. ¿Qué coño? ¿Y ahora qué? Volver a la lobby. A ver si el videoclip que sacó con Fornite, ¿no? Le pinta. Las motos. Pues nada. Venga, relleno. Para siempre. Precioso. Bonito.